Namaste everyone, welcome again. Now let us discuss the seventh question. In the adjoining figure, AB is equals to DC. So you have given this AB side AB. Okay, if I consider this AB and this DC, they are equal, and this AB is parallel to DC. We have to prove that this AD and this BC they are equal. Now if you see, we have given a hint that as AB and DC parallel, angle ABD, this angle ABD, and angle CDB, this angle, they are equal as they are alternate angles. Okay, so once we prove that these angles are equal, this side and this side equal, you can see that this BD is common side between these two triangles. So by side angle side, I will prove that these two triangles are congruent and hence their corresponding sides are equal. So AD and this BC, they are equal. So let us do the solution. Now I will say in triangle ABD and triangle CDB, triangle CDB. In these two triangles, side AB is equal to side CD, AB equal to CD, this is given. Then angle ABD is equal to angle CDB. The reason is alternate angle. Alternate angle theorem, you can say. So when you say alternate angle theorem, then it means that the side AB and DC are parallel and BD is transversal, and angle B and D are the alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal, and your side BD here and BD here, or DB, you can say that they are equal, again common side. So therefore you can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. The reason is side angle side criteria. Side angle side criteria. So these two triangles are congruent. Therefore their corresponding sides are equal. So corresponding side AD is equals to BC. Therefore this side AD is equals to CB or BC. This is corresponding part of congruent triangle, or corresponding side of congruent triangle, you can say. Corresponding side CSCT. Hence proved. So you can say that QED. That is what is asked, you have proved it. Eighth problem. In the adjoining figure, AC is equal to AE. You can see that AC and AE given equal. AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD, this angle BAD, and angle CAE, this angle and this angle is equal. We have to show that this side BC and DE, side DE. So for that I have to join this DE. So we can do the construction, we can join DE. We have to prove that this BC and DE equal. So for that I will take triangle BAC. Now when I take triangle BAC, here I have angle BAC, and what is given to me? We have given angle BAD and angle CAD CAE equal given. Okay, so let us start. In solution, I will say join DE, then I will say angle BAD is equals to angle CAE. This is given. Now I will add angle DAC on both the side. So angle BAD plus angle DAC is equals to, here it is CAE plus angle DAC. Therefore, I will get angle BAC. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. BAC equal to DAE. Right? You can see that your angle BAD plus angle DAC will be this whole angle BAC, and similarly this angle CAE and angle this DAC will be equal to this angle. So these two angles are equal. I will consider this as equation 1. Now I will take triangle BAC and DAE. So now in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC and triangle BAC and triangle DAE. Now in these two triangles BA and DA equal, what is given? This side BA is equals to DA. It is given. Then angle BAC is equals to angle DAE. We have just proved in equation 1, so I will say from 1. And then side BC, side AC, sorry, we have side AC is equals to AE and side AC is equals to AE. AC is equals to AE. This is also given. So therefore triangle BAC, therefore triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DAE. The reason is BAC and DAE congruent. Criteria is side angle side criteria. So as these two triangles congruent, their corresponding side, which is BC and DE, they are equal. So your side BC and your DE side. So therefore this side BC is equals to side DE. They are corresponding sides of congruent triangle or corresponding part of congruent triangle. Hence we have proved. So QED. Okay, ninth question. In the adjoining figure, AB equal to CD. So AB, this part AB and this part CD, you can see they are equal. CE, this part CE and BF, this side BF, it is equal. And angle ACE and here this is point D, DBF, these two angles are equal. So this angle and this angle equal. We have side CE, this side CE and BF equal, this side equal. So we have this side, this angle. Now AB and CD equal. So if I add BC common side to these two sides, I will get AC equal to BD. So again by side angle side, I can prove that these two triangles are congruent. And their corresponding sides, that is AE and DF, we can prove that they are equal. Okay. So you can see in hint also they have given the same thing. So here we will start with AB equal to CD. This implies that if I add BC on both the side, I will get AB plus BC equal to BC plus CD. So this indicates that AC is equals to BD. So AC is equals to BD. This I will consider as equation 1. Now I will take two triangles. So I will take triangle. I will say in triangle ECA or ACE, in triangle ACE and triangle, I have started with A. So ACE and triangle DBF and triangle DBF. Now in these two triangles, AC is equal to DB. AC is equals to DB. This you can say from 1. Then angle ACE, angle ACE is equal to angle DBF. Angle DBF. This is given. And your side CE is equals to BF. This is also given. So therefore we have triangle ACE is congruent to triangle DBF. The criteria is side angle side criteria. So by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are equal. Therefore their corresponding sides, that is AE, is equals to DF. So therefore AE equal to DF, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So hence we have proved. So QAD. Okay, now let's extend the problem. In the adjoining figure, AB is equals to AC. So here this side AB and this side AC is given equal. D is midpoint of BC. So as D is the midpoint, you can say that this BD and this CD is equal. Use SSS rule of congruency to show that this ABD, this triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have to prove congruent. Then we have to show that AD is the bisector of angle A and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so let us take triangle. I will say that in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have taken triangle ABD and ACD. Now in these two triangles, we have AB equal to is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC. Okay, AB is equals to AC. Then as D is the midpoint, so here I will say that this is given. I will also say that this BD is equals to CD. I will say that D is the midpoint. And third, you can see that AD is common side. So AD is equals to AD. The reason is common side. So therefore, we have triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. The criteria is side, side, side. So by side, side, side criteria. By side, side, side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Now as these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts equal. So these two triangles are congruent. So corresponding part means angle BAD. So therefore I will say that therefore angle BAD is equals to angle ACD. and angle ADB is equals to ADC, and angle ADB is equals to angle ADC. This is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now BAD is equals to ACD. So therefore I will say that AD is bisector of angle A. Okay, this is your equation 1. So you can say that from 1. Or if you want to do a better justice, you consider this first part as equation 1 and this part as equation 2. So from 1, as BAD and ACD equal, so AD is the bisector of angle A. Right now, here this angle BAD and this angle CAD equal. So these two angles are equal. That means AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Now angle ADB plus angle ADC is 180 degree. Angle ADB plus angle ADC is equals to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Also from 2, these two angles are equal. So I will say that angle ADB plus this angle ADC, I will write as ADB only, plus angle ADB is equals to 180. I will say that this is from 2. So therefore 2 times angle ADB is equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle ADB is 180 degree divided by 2 is equals to 90 degree. So angle ADB is 90 degree. Angle ADB is 90 degree. So angle ADB is 90 degree. So therefore I will say that AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC. So hence we proved all the 3 parts. So finally you can say that QED. We have proved everything. Okay, now this 11th question. 2 line segment AB and CD. AB and CD. 2 line segment AB and CD bisect each other at point O. So they are intersecting at point O. We have to prove that this AC is equals to BD. And we have to prove that angle CAB is equals to ABD. So CAB, this angle, is equals to ABD, means this angle and this angle is going to be equal. That I have to prove. Third, I have to prove that this AD, side AD, is parallel to this side CB. And fourth, I have to prove that this side AD is equals to side CB. So 2 line segment AB and BC bisect each other. So here, as AB and CD they bisect, that means they are intersecting at midpoints. Right now, bisecting means you can say that this AO and this BO will be equal in length, and this CO and this DO will be equal in length. Now if I take triangle A, I can take any 2 triangle, means you can take triangle AOD also, but as first I have to prove that AC is equals to BD, I will take triangle AOC. Now in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, I have side AO and BO equal. You can see this angle O, that is angle AOC, and this angle BOD. they are vertically opposite angle, so they are also equal. And thirdly, this side CO and this DO, they are also equal. So I will prove by side angle side that these two triangles are congruent. So I will write in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, and these two triangles AO equal to BO. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD, and side OC is equals to OD, and OC equal to OD. Okay. For this, you can say the reason. What reason you can give? Here, you can say that AB and CD are perpendicular, are bisector of each other, bisect each other. So simple, AB and CD bisect each other, right? Here you can say that they are vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. And here you will say the same thing, that is AB and CD bisect. So therefore, your triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. So as these two triangles are congruent, the reason is side angle side criteria. So therefore, you can say that this side AC is equals to side BD. AC is equals to BD. They are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, as too many things need to be proved, better I will put each part which I find out in a bracket. Second, CAB. So CAB can be written as CAO. I will say that angle CAO is equal to angle DOB. These two angles are equal. Again, they are corresponding angle of congruent triangle. So therefore, this angle CAO can be extended as, therefore angle CAO can be extended to be CAB is equals to angle DCAO. DBO. This is not DOB. DBO. DBO. So it can be written as DB angle DBA. So the second part we have done. So this part also let us put in a bracket. Now next what we have to prove, that AD parallel to BC. Now to prove that AD parallel to BC, I will take triangle AOD and triangle COD and I will prove that they are congruent. Okay, the reason will be same. So better I redraw triangle here. I will reconstruct the diagram. So there is no need to look again and again on the top. We have two sides, they are bisecting like this, and then we have drawn this dotted line, this dotted line, this dotted line, and then this dotted line, and name the figure as A, B, C, D. Okay, so vertically they have named A here, B here, C here, and D here, and this is point O. So we know that this side and this side equal, and this side and this side equal. Now I will take triangle. I will say in triangle AOD and triangle AOD and a triangle BOC. and triangle BOC. AOD and BOC, you have AO is equals to BO, you have DO is equals to CO. The reason you will say that AB and CD bisect. AB and CD bisect. And you have angle AOD. Angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. For this, you will say that vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So therefore, you have triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. AOD is equals to BOC. The reason is side angle side criteria. So side angle side criteria. Okay. Therefore, corresponding parts, that is angle OAD, angle OAD is equal to OAD is equals to OBC, angle OBC. This is corresponding part of congruent triangle. So OAD, this angle, is equals to OBC, this angle. Now, as these two angles are equal, so I can say that AD is parallel to BC by alternate angle theorem. So therefore, AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to CB. We have to prove that AD parallel to CB. So AD parallel to CB. Okay. Reason is alternate angle theorem. Alternate angle theorem. So AD is parallel to CB, and next we have to prove that AD is equals to CB, and AD is equals to CB. Their corresponding parts also AD is equals to CB, corresponding part or corresponding side of congruent triangle. So all the four parts we have done. Therefore, QED. Okay. Now last question for this exercise. In the adjoining figure, find the value of x and y. So I will first mark these vertices. I will say that this is A, this is B, this is C and D. Now in triangle, you can say that in triangle ABD and triangle ABD and triangle CBD. Now in these two triangles, AB is equals to CB given BD, you can say that BD is equals to BD. This is common. And third, you have AD is equals to CD. This is again given. So you will say that triangle ABD, therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Reason is side, side, side criteria. So by side, side, side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, angle ABD is equals to, therefore angle ABD is equals to angle CBD. This is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, angle ABD, you can see angle ABD is y plus 5. So therefore, y plus 5 degree is equals to, on the other side we have 46 degree. So therefore, the value of y is 46 degree minus 5 degree is equals to 41 degree. Also, angle ADB, also we have angle ADB is equals to ADB is equals to CDB is equals to angle CDB. This is also corresponding angle of congruent triangle. So therefore, now these two angles, we have 35 degree is equals to 2x plus 5. 35 degree is equals to 2x plus 5. So therefore, 35 minus 5, 30 degree is equals to 2x. Therefore, x is equals to 15 degree. Okay, so we have got the value of x and y. So therefore, finally, you have x is 15 degree and y is 41 degree. Done? Okay. I hope you find all the problems easy. They're surely easy problems. If you are getting any problem, then solution is that you revise the concept again and solve all the problems once again. Thank you for being with me in this lecture. I will see you in next class with some more concepts and a new exercise. Thank you.